Ladies and gentlemen, today we are looking at a machine so wonderfully British that it feels like someone mixed a safari expedition, a camping trip, and a military parade into one glorious aluminum box on wheels. Meet the 1964 Land Rover 109 Series IIA Dormobile 14.4, a vehicle that looks ready to cross Africa, survive a flood, and still politely ask if you'd like tea afterward. Back in the 1960s, campers were usually slow, fragile, and about as waterproof as a politician's promise during election season. The story of the Dormobile conversion begins in post-war Britain. When adventure tourism exploded across Europe and the Commonwealth, introduced in 1958, the series quickly earned a reputation as one of the toughest off-road machines ever built. Farmers loved it, military forces trusted it, and explorers treated it like a loyal dog with headlights. But then Martin Walter Limited of Folkestone, England, stepped into the picture. The company specialized in camper conversions and saw opportunity in the long-wheelbase Land Rover 109-inch platform. Measuring 109 inches between the axles, or approximately 3 meters, the stretched chassis offered enough room to transform a hard-working off-roader into a compact expedition camper. Their Dormobile conversion added a spring-assisted pop-up roof, sleeping accommodations, cabinets, cooking equipment, and enough clever packaging solutions to make modern tiny house influencers cry into their organic coffee. This particular 1964 example began life as a right-hand drive station wagon before receiving the Dormobile treatment. It was later imported to the United States in 2002, and between 2003 and 2004 underwent an extensive refurbishment. The body was refinished in blue and mounted onto a replacement galvanized frame designed to resist corrosion far better than the original steel chassis. Honestly, British vehicles from the 1960s had a complicated relationship with rust. Rainwater could probably damage them emotionally from 3 counties away. The refurbishment also modernized the mechanical side without destroying the vehicle's vintage personality. Under the hood sits an upgraded 3-liter inline-4 engine developed by Automotive Component Remanufacturing. Originally, these trucks carried a smaller 2-liter engine, but the increased displacement provided additional torque and drivability. Combined with an SU carburetor and K&N conical air filter, the engine produces stronger pulling power for highway cruising and off-road climbing alike. A supplementary electric pusher fan was also installed near the radiator to improve cooling efficiency, which is comforting because old British engines sometimes overheated faster than Bob during conversations about artificial intelligence. Power travels through a replacement 4-speed manual transmission installed in 2002. The gearbox works alongside a dual-range transfer case, feeding either the rear wheels or all 4 wheels, depending on terrain condition. A Rocky Mountain Rover Drive overdrive unit was added for more relaxed cruising speeds, while an auxiliary gearbox oil cooler helps maintain durability during long-distance driving. The suspension remains faithful to classic Land Rover engineering philosophy, simple, durable, and stubbornly resistant to comfort complaints. 4-wheel drum brakes handle stopping duties, while the 16-inch steel wheels wear 225/75 Dunlop radial Rover tires capable of handling mud, gravel, dirt roads, and whatever terrifying shortcut Timmy accidentally discovers after missing a highway exit. Inside, the Dormobile conversion transforms the rugged utility vehicle into a surprisingly clever living space. The metal dashboard contains practical storage cubbies and Jaeger instrumentation, including an 80 amps speedometer and combination gauges for amperage and fuel level. The rear compartment becomes the true heart of the camper. Folding rear seats convert into sleeping surfaces, while metal cabinets provide storage for supplies and cooking equipment. A 2-burner stove, sink, and water containers allow travelers to prepare meals almost anywhere on Earth. Above, the iconic pop-up Dormobile roof hides two folding cot-style bunks, creating elevated sleeping areas that maximize interior space without enlarging the vehicle externally. This vehicle was designed during an era when adventure still felt mysterious. In the 1960s, families dreamed about crossing continents instead of arguing online about whose coffee grinder had better Wi-Fi compatibility. The design itself remains wonderfully honest. And despite the rough-and-tumble appearance, there's genuine charm inside. The compact cabinets, folding beds, and camping equipment create a cozy atmosphere modern RVs sometimes lack. In today's collector market, restored Dormobile campers have become highly desirable among vintage off-road enthusiasts and overlanding fans. Original examples with documented history, correct conversions, and upgraded mechanicals command serious attention at auctions. Back in the 1960s, a Land Rover 109 could cost around £1,000 to £1,300 depending on specification, equivalent to roughly $25,000 to $35,000 in modern value when adjusted for inflation. Today, values vary dramatically depending on originality and restoration quality. Rough project vehicles sometimes trade below $30,000, while fully restored Dormobile campers with upgraded drivetrains frequently sell between $70,000 and $120,000. This particular 1964 example stands out because it combines authenticity with usability. The upgraded 3-liter engine, replacement galvanized frame, improved transmission setup, and overdrive unit make it far easier to enjoy than a completely original truck. And before we reveal modern collector prices, we should appreciate what this machine represents. The Dormobile wasn't built for speed, luxury, or status to help ordinary people disappear into nature for a weekend and return with mosquito bites, blurry photographs, and stories nobody would fully believe. In many ways, it captured the best parts of travel before smartphones turned every scenic overlook into a temporary photography studio for influencers posing beside sandwiches. Today, beautifully restored Dormobile campers in mint condition can approach or exceed six-figure territory depending on provenance, restoration quality, and auction hype. That sounds expensive, until you realize modern luxury SUVs can cost nearly the same while possessing all the emotional personality of office carpeting. Huge thanks to the amazing channel sponsors supporting these videos. Without you, Bob would still be powering my camera equipment using a bicycle generator he built from lawn furniture and Cold War paranoia. And Timmy would probably attempt to convert a canoe into an off-road camper because he saw potential in the shape. Kato. Wherever you travel, friends, may your fuel tank stay full, your gearbox survive the hills, and your camping neighbor never start playing accordion music at 2 o'clock in the morning beside your tent.